Lee Ray is going to bring him to the green flag. 12 laps the distance. Here we go. It's a wild thing on the outside lane. He's got Lee Ray to the inside. Terry Taylor sits in the third spot on his own, but here comes Dustin Ladner and Doug Todd. Battle for that spot. Doug Todd holds it in fourth. It's Chatham up the racetrack. Lee Ray stretching it out on the back stretch of Carlene, now on the 3 machine, the 14. It's a battle for second. Oh no, the 3 car just whirlpools it. Oh, in the center of 3 and 4, Terry Taylor on his own just jackknifes. Lee Ray takes on the backstretch. Will be green flag next time by. It's Chatham in the second row. Todd up on the heel. Then it's Ladner on the inside of row 3. Pearson on the outside of him in the 111, and green flag is out. Jeffrey Walker working the 12J. Made a little contact there. AC Pearson battling the 01. There's Lee Ray out front. Chatham in second. Todd in the third position. Pearson works the elevator, and he may have him clear on the back stretch. Cross flags, halfway home, 6 to complete, 6 to go. Pearson making something happen up on the top. He's got Terry Taylor in tow. Terry was charged with that caution. Terry's raced his way all the way up to the 5th position. Oh, Taylor's going to make contact with Pearson on the front end of the race car. And now Pearson's going to sink. My goodness gracious. Terry Taylor took the front clip off the 111. No caution. Oh, Blaze Chatham spins around in front of the field. Caution on the speedway. Wild thing. Turns it around in the center of 4. J.C. Pearson limps it off the racetrack. After that contact with Taylor, Taylor's going to go up, and he's going to have a track official check his stuff out. No caution for that incident. The caution for the 14B. Green flag out for Lee Ray. Doug Todd in the second spot. They put Terry Taylor back a couple of spots. Jeffrey Walker in the 4th position. It's Dustin Ladner in the 3rd position. We get 2 sticks in the air. 2 to go. Lee Ray gets the white flag here. And Lee Ray, he's going to cruise it home. He'll pick up the win here tonight. Doug Todd comes home second. Dustin Ladner third, Terry Taylor fourth, and the 12J finishes in the top 5. Way to go, Lee Ray. Been a while for here at the House of Hook. Finally got that monkey off his back. The Renespace number 2 out of Columbus, Mississippi. You're a winner. He had a passenger ride with it this whole time. How about that? Race fans, give it up for Lee Ray. Back in victory lane here tonight at the House of Hook. This time in a factory stock. He's got to get his picture made too.